Hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing the best time to buy and sell stock problem. This problem is a classic example of a stock trading problem. Now, even though this is an easy problem, it's very popular among the interviewer and you can just tell it just by looking at the company list. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the problem statement. So what the question is actually asking us is to maximize the profit by making one single transaction. In other words, your goal is to maximize the profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Now let's have a look at this example and then this will be even clear. Now this array represents the daily stock price for a particular share. So let me quickly write it here as well. So in this case, on day 1, the price of the stock is $7. On day 2, it's $1 and so on. So to solve this problem, we need to find the best day when we can buy a stock and the best day when we can sell the stock. In this particular example, the best day to buy the stock is on day 2, where the stock price is minimum to $1, and the best time to sell the stock is on day 5 when the stock price is $6. So if I buy the stock on the second day and sell it on the 5th day, we can make a profit of 6 minus 1, right? That is $5, which is the maximum possible profit. Now let's talk about the solution. To solve this problem, we need to traverse the given array from left to right, and we need to keep track of the minimum stock price. So in this case, the minimum stock price will be $1. Then at each iteration, we will calculate the profit. So if the calculated profit is bigger than the previous one, we will update the final result. So what I mean by that is, let's say I'm standing is in the third day, right, when the current stock price is $5. At this point, the minimum stock price that we have encountered so far is this $1, right? So this is the minimum we have seen so far. So thereby the current profit in day 3 will be this 5 minus 1, that is $4, right? If we keep continuing the process, we'll see the maximum profit we will get in this day 5, right? So when we come over here, we'll see the maximum profit we'll get in this window. Okay, so that's pretty much the whole logic that we have to code now. Now let's jump into the coder pad. So I'll start by defining few variables. So something like this. Okay, I will also initialize few variables like this, and another variable called max profit. So this will be the ultimate result that we'll be returning. Okay, and in between them, what we really like to do is to traverse this entire array, okay, one at a time, and we want to update the minimum value because initially we have set the minimum value as 7, so we want to see if we can minimize it further, right? So we'll be doing it something like this. So auto stock price, so this stock price actually represents the current price as well. Okay, and in between them we want to check if the current stock price is smaller than the minimum price, right? Then we want to update this minimum price with the current stock price. Okay, and at this point we would also like to recalculate and we also would like to see if we can get a higher profit, right? So that's why we'll also be checking if we can maximize the max profit as well, and we'll be doing it just like this. I think we are good here, so let me quickly submit it. And it got accepted. I think now let's talk about the time and space complexity. So The overall time complexity will be order of n, because we're only iterating everything only once, but we're not storing anything, right? Obviously we have few variables that we have used here, but those are kind of will take constant space. That is why the time complexity will be order of n, and the space complexity for this problem will be order of 1. Okay, yeah, so that's it for today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.